Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I got the Degustabox selection. I have had so many comments of people saying to get this to see what it was like. Apparently it's like the Degustabox, but for foodies. I'm talking slightly different because I've got a new tooth and it's like a clip-in one, and so it's giving me a little bit of a lisp. So we're just gonna pretend that I don't sound different to normal. I feel like this was like $22.99 I think, and it's worth 30 quid. Haven't seen any spoilers, so I'm very intrigued to see what is in it. It came like 2 days ago. I've also ordered the cold box, but that's not come in for a couple of months, I don't think. I did find a discount code for this, which was like selection 21, I think. I just googled selection boxes because selection box discount code because I couldn't find one that I had. This is all paid for by me. Degustabox is not PR at all. It was all a box that I pay for myself. So let's have a look. It's very heavy. It comes like this. Just looks like a normal Degustabox other than the fact that it's purple. So let's have a look. So it is a Degustabox selection, and then this is what we've got. So let's just jump in and see. If you like these kind of videos, please give this one a big thumbs up. First thing I'm seeing, I'm very excited about Leon's I think, Decaf Dreams 10 compostable coffee bags. That is a massive box for 10 bags of coffee. Oh my god, there's 4 different ones as well, and I got the decaf one because I can't have caffeine, and they don't know that, but that's awesome. £2.20. At Leon's, we know a thing or two about terrific tasting coffee. After all, we've had plenty of practice since 1904. So whether you're looking to put a spring in your step or a coffee that's guaranteed to rock your taste buds, we've got just the cup for you. So you've got Gojo, Rockadero, Percadilly, and Decaf Dreams. So I'm very happy about that. Let's have a little look and see what it's like. And Ben is upstairs with the kids, if you can hear screaming. Apparently they're playing. So this is what it looks like. Add coffee bag to a mug, and then to do it like tea, but it's coffee, so you just put the coffee bag in a cup and then put water on. I'm very excited to try those. Good start so far. Next, I've got pasta di semola di grano duro. Penne durum wheat semolina pasta. It looks yummy. This is £3.49. That's like, this better tastes amazing. £3.49. I literally, my pasta rate is like 50p a bag. Rusticella de Brusa. Oh my god, I literally can't say these things anywhere, and then now I've got this thing in my mouth, I can like barely talk. It was born in 1924, and after 100 years of history, it's the pasta brand used by most best chefs in the world. Oh, handcrafted to production, bronze dyes and slow drying temperatures confer to the pasta a unique texture and I can't say that word. Something you can't imitate. Taste like our penne. So I'm very excited to try it. I can't imagine it's that much different to normal dried pasta, but we shall see. Nice little thing there that will definitely get used. Next, I've got Mackey's of Scotland pickled onion flavour crisps. I won't like these because I don't like pickled onions, but Ben, I'll take these. We're going to Ben's parents today. I will take these, and I'm sure they will love those. £1.70. This packet brings you back to your school days with a perfect pickle jar aroma. Mouth-watering, your taste buds will be laced with a distinctive salty and sour zing sensation, leaving you with the problem of craving more. Perfect for pairing with a favourite sandwich for some extra crunch. Available in most major retailers and then selected Scottish stores only. So, alright. Next, Balsan. These are £1.79. Carefully consider from all angles, smooth hazelnut praline sandwich between 2 crisp wafers, topped with a square of milk chocolate, crafted with precision into 4 perfectly proportioned layers. I mean, they sound nice, but it does just look like a biscuit. Look. Nice. I'm not eating anything because I can't eat with this in. Next, we've got, hot honey. I I tried to make some hot honey recently. It's basically, if you don't know, hot honey is honey but with chilies. Because I don't like honey at all. I only use it in like Asian cooking. I only use it if I'm making like bao buns or sticky pork or things like that, or like sauces and stuff. I don't like it as a drizzle or on toast or anything. And I always add chili to it. So that is very exciting. £3.50. Sweet and spice and all things nice. Say hello to hot honey. Our signature honey is infused with chili to give a deliciously sweet heat naturally. Let's have a little look. I can taste this because it's... I just realised I've got a coffee somewhere. I've just left my coffee over there. There's the tiniest hint of heat, but nothing like spicy. That's got 3 chilies on the front. Like, that makes it look like it's going to be spicy, but it's not. It's just a very gentle point to some spice, but nothing major. Next, I've got some marinades, I think. Are these marinades? I don't know. Geeta's spicy mango sauce. £1.50. I think there's 2 here. Oh no, it's not. It's one. It's just a big bottle. I thought it was 2. And Ben will like this. Sweet and spicy mango sauce, medium spice, drip, drizzle, marinade, and fry. Inspired by our family's favourite mango chutney recipes, this super versatile sauce is made from juicy Indian mangoes, pinched with chilli, aromatic spices, cumin, cardamom, black pepper, and nigella seeds. Let loose your creative cooking and use it to dip, drizzle, marinade, or fry. That will definitely get used in this house. That will, Ben will love that. I've got another Geeta's thing. So I've got a tandoori marinade, 75p, hugely popular dish from the northern Indian region of the Punjab. Our tandoori is made to an authentic recipe, including toasted cumin, ginger, and cardamom. Our tandoori is super versatile as a curry marinade, meat rub, or even as a base for a curry. So again, that will definitely get used. I don't really feel like anything is like foodie, other than the pasta. I feel like everything else is just something you get in a normal box. Am I being mean, or let me know. Next, I've got a bottle of something. So this is, I think this is a cider, I think. Spazz premium cider. I don't drink cider, but Ben will love that, I'm sure. It says £2.20 a bottle, crafted for the original cider house in Suffolk. Spazz Premier Cru is a sophisticated cider with a clean apple taste and long dry finish. Floral aroma, finding the perfect balance of acidity and soft tannins. Delicious with roast pork, spicy tagines, red Leicester, and white Stilton. That. Another bottle. I think this is olive oil. That's the only bottle left on this page. Odyssey. Ooh. Greek early harvest extra virgin olive oil. Amazing. This is £9. This is foodie. I like this. Odyssey early harvest and Kalamata PDO extra virgin olive oils are both produced and hand-picked olives from the groves of the Peloponnese area of some of Greece's finest oils. This oil is cold extracted within hours of the olive harvest to ensure an oil of exceptional flavour and quality. Oh my god, it's got like a proper, like a seal on it, like a bottle of wine. That's what I smell it. I don't like the taste of olive oil. Ben likes to dip things in olive oil. Like, he loves to like dip bread and stuff in olive oil. I just like it for like sauces and stuff. Oh, it smells good. Nice little stopper. That's lovely. I'm very, very happy with that. And then next, I've got some nuts. Filbert's classic dry roasted peanuts. Oh my god, these look amazing. 99p each. Mr. Filbert's dry roasted peanuts are a twist on the classic recipe. Utterly Morrison hand pocket snack pack, suitable for vegans and free from gluten, dairy, and artificial flavours. We use 100% natural ingredients, the finest plant-based snacking proteins. So you've got dry roasted peanuts, which is like one of my favourite snacks. And then you've got mixed nuts with fennel and chilli, which sounds absolutely fucking delicious. I love fennel. So, and obviously I love chilli. That sounds amazing. Ooh, they're going to go in my handbag and they're going to be my little out and about snacky snacks. And then the last thing, I know there's more in there. I've got some tonics. These are mixers. So I've got double Dutch drinks, cucumber and watermelon mixer, skinny tonic, and pomegranate and basil. 60p a can or £3.50 for a pack of 6. Double Dutch Twin Founders Joyce and Ricer. I'm passionate about all things flavour. The range features cucumber and watermelon with a smooth freshness, pomegranate and basil with a herbaceous aroma and yet a sweet finish, and then award-winning skinny tonic with a hint of grapefruit and juniper. You should receive 3 items in your box. So I like the packaging. It looks really interesting. It's got 2 girls on the front. It looks really pretty. We don't really use tonics, but I'm sure at some point our parents will be here and want a gin with something, and that is what they will get used for, I imagine. And then the last thing in here is some black garlic paste. There's 2 sachets, 1 shot. It's just 1 shot pate, but I think it means 1 shot paste. Like the Degusta leaflet is printed wrong, I think. So $1.99. The original black garlic is a flavour bomb, missing ingredient and a superfood in one. A sweet yet savoury umami flavour. Our luxurious paste is perfect for adding depth and next day richness to chilies, bolognese, dressings, stocks, stir fries and sauces. Come join the black garlic revolution. You should receive 2 items in your box. So that's nice. I kind of don't like that it's in a shot because I wouldn't use that much in one dish. I think I prefer it to be like in a little jar that you can like just take out as you want. I'm like not a fan of, because that's big, like that's 30 mils. Like I wouldn't ever use that much garlic unless I was cooking for like 20 people. I wouldn't use that much garlic, and I love garlic. We use it in everything. Like, we're growing it ourselves, but I wouldn't use that much in one dish. So I don't really know how I feel, to be honest. I think it was good. Like, I think it's a really nice box. Everything will get used. I kind of wish there was more sweet stuff. The only sweet thing we got was biscuits, which just seemed a bit of a Pretty sure I've seen something like this in Lidl. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm very intrigued to see what the cold box brings. That's just all cold things like from the fridge and the freezer, I think. So that's exciting to try. Yeah, really nice box. And I think they said it's worth £29.99, but I think it cost me like 22 quid. So, jury's out. Let me know what you think. I have got my 10,000 subscriber giveaway running. I'll link it somewhere for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to go put all this away, and then I'm going to go take some bits to my in-laws because they'll love these. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.